if your goal is to be able to do this, hold your foot up to your head. This video is for you. Today, I'm going to guide you through a routine that will allow you to make your hip flexors a little bit stronger. It is beginner friendly routine as well as good for intermediate. So if you are trying to progress and combine your flexibility range with your strength, hello, my flexible, beautiful friends, and welcome back to Anna Benzi, or welcome if you're new to the channel. And if you are looking for more community support and guidance directly from me, I do have my Patreon account active. As a member, you get access to an exclusive content, breakdowns of stretches and exercises to help you be more knowledgeable and understand the mechanics behind the stretch. We'll get weekly Q&As as well as live stretching sessions together with me and then also other members. I post some inspirational videos and photos of stretching as well. The link will be down below in my description, and I cannot wait to see you there. are done. Thank you so much for stretching with me today. I hope this video was helpful. I hope these exercises were helpful and doable for you. I hope your hip flexors feel a little bit sore and they might be sore tomorrow. If so, this is my goal. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram for more. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video. And if you need something more visual to help you get started on your flexibility journey, I do have my free PDF guide for you. I'll link it right here. It has easy to follow images, progression photos of multiple parts of our body, like upper body, lower body stretches that you can try at your own time. The link will be down below in my description as well, and I will see you soon.